Well, looks like no agent marketplace can survive this landscape.
Yeah, well, we actually set up a functional agent marketplace here too.
Okay, but can I add a Seagull skill to each agent, have the agents seek out French fry reward, and have primary agents spawn French fries?
Absolutely.
In that case, I have a plan.
What do you do? What do you do for fun? Sitting in the blinding light, waiting for the damage done. A little niche, a little strange. A localized, controlled derange. Tell me what you do, tell me what you do.
I take the heat, I take the salt, I head down to the concrete vault, the metro line, the open air. I bring the bait, I make them stare. Piping hot, golden grease. I am the end of all your peace. Air it out, hear the wings, hear the shout. One or two, then a few, beckon them, I beckon you. Riling up the feather class until we reach the critical mass. Critical mass, critical mass. Throw the bag, raise the swarm, bring the feather raging storm. Doors are open, trapping storm. Doors are open, trap is set. The worst mistake you've ever met. Pandemonium, 5 minutes to the next stop. Pandemonium, watch the human order drop.
Why the chaos? Why the pain? Why the army on the train? You sit and watch the hunger rise, the madness in their avian eyes.
They are not satiated, they are irate. You seal their doom, you seal their fate.
Are you upset? Are you confused? Is the holy mind abused? Forget the birds, forget the riddles. I made a plate of boiling Skittles.
Throw the bag, raise the swarm, bring the feather raging storm. Doors are open, trapping storm. Doors are open, trap is set. The worst mistake you've ever met. Pandemonium, 5 minutes to the next stop. Pandemonium, watch the human order drop. Just a hobby, just a game. Next Friday, we do the same.
He turned you into seagulls and had you go into train after French fries?